Greasy. We back in business.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm announcing the winners of the 250 subscribers giveaway. I'm giving away a $20 Steam gift card.
Still pimping. Once a pimp, always a pimp. Always boss player. Forever.
In the bottom of this video, let me know who's a gamer from the United States that I can send a $20 Steam gift card to. I hate to say it, but you got to be part of the US for me to send it to you, because I've already tried before overseas. They won't do it. Steam's picky that way. Also, congratulations. I picked out 2 lucky winners to win some of the unboxing tech. Make sure in the bottom of this video, I'm going to give you 3 options. You contact me via email, it's right in my description, and let me know of the 3 items that I'm going to tell you which that you want.
It's in the box!
Okay, our first tech winner, Real Truth. Congratulations, Real Truth. You are a winner of the 250 subscriber giveaway. Make sure to comment down below one of the 3 items that you want. Send me your email. Mine's in the link below. And then I'll tell you the 3 items. You pick one. And congratulations. The next winner, my buddy Sonny over at Computar. Hope I'm saying that right. Computar. Congratulations, Sonny. Let me know. Hit me up at my email address and let me know which one of the 3 that you want. Congratulations to the winners. Like I said, the Steam gift card will be given away at the end of this week. I want to compile a list of all the people in the US that are gamers who want to win this card. Part of which, go to Steam and follow me. It is right here, Chasharper on Steam. That way I can transfer the gift card to you. You got to be following me on Steam. Send me a friend invite, I'll accept it. Make sure to stay tuned. Okay, congratulations again to Computer, Sonny, my man. Appreciate you supporting the channel. And Real Truth. Poor guy's only got 1 subscriber. Go subscribe to his channel. Alright, thanks again for tuning in. Make sure to stay subscribed. There's going to be many more giveaways coming. If you guys have an interest in any of the items featured, make sure to leave comments down below what items you like, what kind of tech you're looking for. If I haven't done an unboxing yet, I probably will be soon.
Come on, man. I'm trying to bring the love into the room and all you do is complain.
Thanks again for tuning in. Love you guys. Appreciate all your support. We're on our way to 500 subscribers, and the giveaways only get better. Thanks again, and have a wonderful day.
What the is this? Whose ass didn't I kiss?
That's about all the questions we have time not to answer today. The attachés will be handing out printed copies of all the information we didn't give you. There will be another briefing tomorrow, and we will be prepared to not answer any more questions you have then.
So what time?
We'd rather not say.
Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.